This one is the alugbati. I don't know this one in English. Later we can find out what is in English. The alugbati. This one is, I really like, favorite, especially in the munggo, the green beans, the small mini green beans. This one I really like in munggo, to put it together. Shrimp with munggo and something, shrimp, and then this one and munggo, and then this alugbati is really good. It's really my favorite, the munggo with shrimp with alugbati leaves. And let's find out what is the benefit of this alugbati.